We are beginning with the problem or with the class today. Today is 11th August, time is 10:10. MBA IB regular class. I have uploaded some things on the YouTube channel for your help. Okay, so did anybody try to solve this problem? I will be little slow in writing because this is not my natural hand and my settings are different. Anyways, if it is not readable, just tell me. Or maybe I should try another way. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, so can anybody factorize this? I hope you can see properly. Yeah, anyone? Tube light is coming. Okay. Now is it fine? Is it fine now? Better? Yeah, please go ahead. Factorize this. Otherwise, you won't be able to solve it.
X minus 1.
Can you repeat that?
X minus 1 into 3x square plus 2x plus 4.
X minus 1 into
3x square plus 2x plus 4.
3x square plus
2x plus 4.
Okay, can we factorize this also or not?
No, sir.
Anyone else? Okay, so this first step is correct. Anyone else?
सर श्रीधराचार्य रूल लगा सकते हैं बट उससे कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर आएंगे।
Which rule?
श्रीधराचार्य रूल।
I am not able to understand. एक minute. Let me use the headphone.
माइनस बी।
Wait a second. I need to apply a different headphones also. So technology is this thing which we have to see all the time. Yeah, can you hear me?
यस सर।
Yeah. Okay, so I can hear you better. Yeah.
सर श्रीधराचार्य रूल माइनस बी प्लस माइनस रूट में बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac by 2a।
Hello.
हेलो हेलो, एम आई ऑडिबल सर? एम आई ऑडिबल सर?
हाँ, now are you audible? बताओ. हाँ.
सर त्रिभुजाचार्य रूल माइनस बी प्लस माइनस रूट में बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac बाई 2a कि मुझसे कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर आएगा सर.
Okay. So the point is.
रूल कॉम्प्लेक्स.
Yeah, got it. So such cases may you have to check the d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay. Does anybody know this thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Those who said yes, no yesterday. Okay. So then you have to solve. If this is negative, we have a complex root. Okay. I won't give this problem in the examination where you have complex roots. We will have just x to power n integration, that's all. Okay. So please don't worry, this problem won't come, but I just wanted to show you that how to make use of. Somebody asked a question, maybe. Let me check. एक मिनट. क्या है? हाँ, ठीक है. That's fine. We will check it later. Okay, we are not going in heavy as mathematics. Problem was not, main thing is not this, but main thing is the use of that. Okay. That you can use integration, differentiation in real life. It is not just solving a problem. This is how you decode things. Okay. So everything is clear till now. Is everything clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody who wants to say no because yes might be hindering. Yeah, go ahead. Anyone? Okay, let's start with this then. I will give you a problem, then you solve it. Okay. Somebody asked something again. Can you read the problem? This is 4. I won't allow people to join now. This is too much. Okay, Ishita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
The point is now I won't allow from next class onwards after 10:15 because problem is I have to stitch the skin, admit you and those sort of things. Okay, please understand that.
Yes, I'm so sorry for today.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah, so this is fx. Can everybody see 4x into 9 minus x square divided by 81? X belongs to 0 to 3 and fx is equal to 0. Okay, now I want you to calculate or find the median of this. How will you find median of this? Yeah, anyone?
So we will find the fx at 3, then we will subtract that by fx at 0 and then divide by 3 minus 0, so 3.
Just a second. We will do whatever we will do right now. हाँ, so बताइए what is f of 3?
So f of 3 is 4 into 3, 12.
Is 0. Yes, 9 minus x square, 9 minus 9. ठीक है?
So
f
that's
of
0.
हाँ,
Yes.
f of 3 is 0.
Then f of 0,
Just a second.
that is 0.
So then what we do now?
And divide by 3 minus, but it's 0 only, sir. F of 3 minus f of 0,
So what do
so
you
that
want to
is
say?
0.
ये गड़बड़ है या नहीं होगा?
गड़बड़ है सर.
हाँ तो बताइए क्या करना है फिर?
So we will solve for 0 to, we will assume the median to be a, then we will solve for 0 to a, fx dx is equals to 1 by 2.
करो.
So, doing that.
Yeah. Did you understand what did he say?
Yes, sir.
Everybody understood? Let me check who all are there. Indranil Saha. Our objective is to calculate median. Sorry, this was too wet. Our objective is to calculate median. How do we do? Yeah. How do we calculate median of this? ठीक है, just gets us the process, not the complete thing. Yeah, please go ahead, Indranil. Why are you silent? Yeah, come on. Say something, Indranil. You don't know, you don't want to attempt. Even if you don't want to attempt, that's fine. You are here for attendance, that's also fine. I don't care if you don't care.
So I'm not able to get it, sir.
What you are not able to get it?
F of x formula, sir.
For x 9 minus x minus square divided by 81, x for the range of 0 to 3, otherwise 0. ठीक है?
Yes.
अब बताइए करना क्या है, वो तो मैं फॉर्मूला में आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू कैलकुलेशन, आई एम आस्किंग यू व्हाट हैज टू बी डन. हाउ डू वी गेट मीडियन ऑफ दिस? That's the simple question. If power goes
So
off, okay, if power goes off, wait for 10 minutes and you will work off, because if power goes off, everything will shut off. Yeah, go ahead.
सर एंड पॉइंट्स को चेक करना पड़ेगा.
किन points को?
चेक करना पड़ेगा.
Which points?
So 0 to 3 up.
What should I check? F of 0 is 0. F of 3
The
is
end point. The end points are 0 and 3.
0 and 0.
0 and 3. So
Okay,
end
that way.
points.
Yeah, ठीक है. तो अब
सर ऊपर से 0 आएगा सर.
हाँ, तो वो तो मैंने लिख दिया ना, f of 0 and is equal to f of 3 is equal to 0 and ये 0 0 0 3 and then what do we do?
तो इंटीग्रेट कर लेंगे सर फिर.
क्या इंटीग्रेट करेंगे बोलो? What integrate? fx dx.
यस. फंक्शन.
हाँ, fx dx integration. What is that? Tell me.
सर fx dx इंटीग्रेशन 0 to 3 सर.
Go ahead. What else? So we have fx dx integration 0 to 3. Let's put it this way. This is me 1 by 81 यहाँ पर 36 by 2 x square minus x4. ठीक है. अब
इसको मैं करना पड़ेगा सर.
अरे यार, तो ये बोलो मैं निकालूँ ना. हाँ ठीक है. 0 is 0. 1 by 81 36 into 2 into 9. If I am wrong somewhere, please tell me. Is this fine?
यस सर.
If I am wrong anywhere, please tell me. Does people understand this? How this step came? How do we get from this?
Yes, sir.
यस सर. यस सर.
कौन कल कोई था ना? Somebody named from S who was there who said I don't know integration.
सर आपका कैमरा थोड़ा सा टिल्ट हो गया सर, राइट साइड का पार्ट नहीं दिख रहा.
राइट साइड का पार्ट नहीं दिख रहा. क्या नहीं दिख रहा है? मतलब दिस यू कैन सी ना, माई हैंड एंड एवरीथिंग. व्हाट एल्स?
यस सर, बट 36/2 x स्क्वायर माइनस के आगे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा, उतने तक ही दिख रहा है.
यू कैन नॉट सी एनीथिंग बियॉन्ड दिस?
नो सर.
इट्स सरप्राइजिंग. आई एम सरप्राइज्ड एक्चुअली.
सब विजिबल है सर.
हाँ, वही मैं सोच रहा हूँ. मेरे को तो विजिबल है, मतलब मेरा कैमरा विजिबल है मुझे. कैन यू रिपीट दैट? हाँ, जो भी है ठीक है. टेक्निकल चीज़ों में आई विल नॉट गेट इनटू. समबडी रेज्ड क्वेश्चन हैंड. ओके, this is bit. Okay, so somebody raised hand. Who was that person? Yeah, somebody. Sonal, I suppose, raised hand. Hi, Sonal. Yeah, what did you want to say? Sonal, what do you want to say?
Sir, by mistake it was nothing.
Okay, please go ahead. Tell me what has to be done. Is this fine? This step is fine or not? (3x by 2, 36 by 2 x square minus x4), and then we
Yes,
put
sir.
x equal to 3 and everything else is 0. What is this value?
Sir, 1. But why are we
One?
doing 1? It will always come 1.
This is 1?
Sir, 81.
No, 81 minus 1, 81, 0. It will come 0 only again. 0.
Just a second. Okay.
So 162 minus 81.
162 minus 81.
That is what I am thinking. This is not 1. This is 20. This is 18. 18 into 9 is more than 81. How
Yeah,
much?
that is 162.
divide by 81. 2. Okay. So Indranil Saha, this is 2. Now what do we do? This is 2. Now what do we do?
Sir, final value 1 आएगी sir.
अच्छा,
one
sorry,
is
sorry,
limited
sorry.
integration.
Yeah.
तो 0 to 3 उसको
Sir, वो 2
minus
minus 1 हो जाएगा ना
हाँ,
sir.
ठीक है. Sorry, this is 1. Yeah. Sorry. Now what?
So 1 का वैल्यू पुट करके देखेंगे.
कहाँ वैल्यू पुट करेंगे?
That is
x में x equal
X में.
f of 1 फाइंड करेंगे.
yes.
भाई ये किसने बताया है? तुम क्या लगा क्या रहे हो कंसेप्ट? This has come through. Okay, fine. Now what do we do? F of 1. Why? Because you are trying to say we have to find f of integral of fx dx you are trying to tell me that ये किसने बताया तुमको? और अगर तुम किसी ने बताया, मैंने तो नहीं बताया. I am telling you gradually, if you fail, you have to again face me next year. Don't think other teacher will come up. And I don't care if you fail. ये यूनिवर्सिटी DU टाइप नहीं है where there are multiple colleges and then you will have. This is a specific department and most probably I will be taking your statistics course next year also. And this is just the beginning of the course. I don't want to give you 10th class, 12th class examples. जो आप 10th, 12th में करते हुए आ रहे हैं. Yes. What do we do now?
Sir, we will find the value of a by 0 by integrating fx from 0 to a,
Okay.
and then plus a to 3, that equals to 1. So we will find the value of a from there. That will be our median.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, x belongs to a real number or integer?
भाई इंटीजर ले लो अभी तुम, ठीक है?
Okay.
इंटीजर, ओके, सॉरी, नॉट इंटीजर. It's a real number. Let's put it that. Sorry. X belongs to R. Let's put it that. It's not integer. Okay. So you say this is what we will solve. Somebody was saying something.
Yes.
That's all. This is what we have to find. Now if I ask you, can you repeat that?
Sir, is the median approximately 1.62?
1.62
approximately.
Yeah, it is.
So one more thing, can we use scientific calculators to solve all of this?
Okay, that we have to check. I don't think so it's allowed, but I will check it because scientific.
That we have used it. No?
Yeah, because we have 82 MS and we have 991 MS. If it is an open book examination, I cannot check anything. Okay, so then you are free to do anything. You might use internet, everything. So that's the point. So okay, let's not get into that. We are not getting into examination point of view. The purpose of studies is not examination. If that is the case, then तो आप लोग एक किताब मैंने आपको जो बता दी है, you can buy them, study them. No need to attend anything. The purpose is not exams. Okay, anyways. Yeah. So median we have calculated. Now suppose if I say I want to get 75% percentile, how do I get? 75 percentile.
Sir, instead of 1/2, we will put 0.75.
0.75. Is everybody understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इंद्रनील साहा, समझ में आ रहा है
हाँ सर
क्या? 0.75 क्यों कर दिया?
0.75 को करना है 75% का वैल्यू निकालना है
चलो ठीक है. Now how do we get the expected value or the average? How do we get the average? Yeah, please go ahead. How do we get the average?
Integration 0 to 3 fx into x dx.
Integration 0 to 3 fx.
Into x dx.
अच्छा. Saurabh Chand, did you understand? Saurabh Chand,
Sorry, sir.
did you understand?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, what is that?
सर मुझे समझ में नहीं आया सर ये एवरेज वाला.
यार देखो तुम लोग फेल होना चाहते हो. मैं हर जिसको पूछता हूँ उसको आता ही नहीं है. और ये मत समझना कि मेजॉरिटी फेल होगी तो फिर से पेपर होगा और फिर से कुछ होगा. आई विल नॉट रेजिस्ट. आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग एवरीथिंग. आई एम पुटिंग ऑन द नेट. आई एम गिविंग रिसोर्सेज. आई हैव द ग्रुप. आई हैव ऑल प्रूफ. देयर आर पीपल हु आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. क्लास रिकॉर्ड का ये भी फायदा होता है. कोई मुझसे ये नहीं कह सकता मैं पढ़ाया नहीं है. Yes, Saurabh, please go ahead. How do we find average of this?
सर इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे 0 से 3 और फंक्शन का सर fx dx इंटीग्रेटेड फ्रॉम 0 to 3.
कितना आएगा? वो तो हमने किया हुआ है. वो तो 1 आ रहा है. इससे
सर
पहले
1 आएगा.
इससे पहले हमने क्यों किया था इंटीग्रेशन हमने? When we were trying to find median. Yeah, why did he find median then? Median में क्यों हमने fx dx किया था? चलो तुम्हें नहीं आता है मतलब सिंपल सा है या तुम इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हो. एनीवेज व्हाई शुड आई गिव यू दैट? ऐश्वर्या राजपूत. ऐश्वर्या राजपूत.
Yes, sir.
How do we calculate average of this function with these details? Sahil Deshpande, from now on after 10:15 I will not allow people. Okay, please understand. And don't send me request. I will just click.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
तुम लोग पता नहीं मूवी देखना तो मूवी देखो ना. बी कम्प्लीटली 100% वन थिंग यार. अगर डिग्री लेने आए हो ठीक है लो. Be satisfied with whatever grades you get. Now you want everything cheaply. Yeah, go ahead. Ashwarya, how do we calculate average of this? I am not going to ask you 10th, 12th class question where means what is the mean of this, what is the mode of this. भैया मैं नहीं पूछने वाला. Primarily two things. Why? Because you might have an open book examination, so you have computer, you will put the data and find the answer. That's it. Or if it is not that way, if it is online or offline, then it is already taught to you. Why should I waste my time teaching you already which you have learned? Yes, Shwarya, go ahead. You have great. She has left the meeting. Very nice. Good. Dip Roy. Deep Roy or Dip Roy?
Yes, sir.
हाँ भाई बताइए. How do we go ahead? How do we find average of this?
पता नहीं सर, नहीं आता.
बढ़िया है. Thanks for not wasting my time. Ghazal Priya. Ghazal Priya.
Yes, sir.
How do we get average of this?
Sir, I cannot recall.
Good. Thank you for being honest. Karan Rajput.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, can we do one thing? We will integrate this function in the limit 0 to 3. Then we will divide by 3 minus 0. It's upper limit minus lower limit.
And we get what? Average.
Average of that function.
तो आप कर दीजिए उसको जरा और बताइए क्या होगा.
So for the integration of that function, the answer was 1.
Yes.
So average will be 1 by 3. Sorry if I am wrong.
This is very nice. Please write the examination answer. Sorry if I am wrong. And you are wrong. Anyways, no problem. चलो कुछ try तुम्हारा.
Okay, sir.
केतन आनंद.
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी. How do we find average of this?
Sir, just a minute.
Minute तो I can't give you. I can give you 10 seconds only.
Sir, we will multiply x with fx and integrate the function with limit from 0 to 3.
चलो thank you. इसने सुन लिया, अच्छी बात है.
सर लेकिन ये एवरेज नेगेटिव आ रहा है -2.
नहीं 1.6 आएगा.
How can it be negative? But the function itself is a positive function.
Let me check my calculation.
हाँ, so that you can do. So please understand there are multiple things which can go wrong. Even if the concept is right, calculation can go wrong. ठीक है? So there are multiple things, but at least if the concept is wrong, calculation completely wrong, and then stepwise marking that we will see. मोहन कुमार राजक. मोनू कुमार राजक. मोनू कुमार राजक.
यस सर.
हाँ जी. इसका एवरेज कैसे निकालेंगे?
नो सर, सॉरी सर.
नो प्रॉब्लम. मनमोहन देवथी. मनमोहन. या.
यस सर.
I hope you might know the answer. How do we get the average?
Yes sir.
Yeah.
We find the expectation, sir. Integral 0 to 3 f of x dx.
Integral of?
Integral 0 to 3 f of x dx.
Fx dx. Integral of that is? That is
f of x into x. Expectation.
X into fx dx.
Yes sir.
Okay, great. Nayan Ruhela. नयन रोहेला. प्रज्ञा. बढ़िया है यार. हाँ.
Yes sir.
How do we get average of this?
So can we do one thing? First we calculate f of 0, like putting x is equals to 0 in that equation, and again we'll calculate f. Sir, it will come 0.
Then 0, ठीक है. Then
f of 0 will come this 0. Then f of 3 will come around 1.33.
F of 3 will come how much? Calculate, please.
So by putting x is equals to 3 in the equation.
Put it na. 36 into 3 is
yes,
how much?
Sir.
36 into 3 is how much?
Sorry sir.
How much 36 into 3 is?
So just so 108.
And 4 into 27?
108.
So 0. Then what do we do?
Okay, that
now?
will cancel out.
Oh, great, thank you. You have understood. We have calculated this earlier. Now what do we do? I'm thankful to those people who were very honest and brutal. That's okay. We don't know. Good.
Sir, can I try, sir, again?
नहीं भाई रुक जाओ तुम. So Pragya,
Yes, sir.
what do we do?
Sir, I thought we can calculate the average by f.
हाँ तो 0
f of
0 आ गया
x2
ना.
minus f of x1 divided by
0 0 आ गया ना. अब क्या करें? एवरेज 0 ही है.
Yes, sir.
गुड. चलो आप बोल देते नहीं आता है, खत्म बात. प्रवीण कुमार. प्रवीण कुमार. Yes. You don't know. Great. Ravi Ranjan. हाँ? 1 point? अरे don't know. You're saying don't know. Sachin Singh. Mohan, you can mute your microphone, please. Yeah, Sachin Singh.
Sir, I don't know.
यार लगता है मुझे ऐसा करना पड़ेगा, आप सब लोग की शक्लें भी देखनी पड़ेंगी बिकॉज नाउ गेटिंग सीरियस. साहिल देश पांडे.
नो आइडिया सर, सॉरी.
नो आइडिया. वेरी गुड. दे तो और भी अच्छा है. साक्षी कदियन और कार्डियन.
Sir, you missed me.
आई मिस यू इंटेंशनली. वेट, मैं रोल नंबर वाइज नहीं जा रहा हूँ, मैं अपने नाम से एक इमेज बना रहा हूँ. हाँ, साक्षी कार्डियन और कार्डियन. हाउ डू वी से?
Kadyam.
Kardiyan. Okay, yeah, go ahead. So I think you might be knowing it by hearing your voice, but still, I will check it. How do we get average of this?
Sir, there are two options. One, how we found out the mean, that is same, and second average we'll find by expectation. Lower limit we will integrate from lower limit to upper limit. Fx into dx dx. Fx into x dx.
And what is the first way you would tell me? You told us.
Yeah, I said that this is we can find by mean also. Mean is equal to average only. How we found out.
No, what's the first way? Mean is equal to average. So, anyways, ठीक है, कुछ तो सही बोला आपने. संजय सिंह. मुझे आवाज़ें समझ में पहचानने में आ रही है, धीरे धीरे शक्ल पहचाननी पड़ेगी, नहीं तो फिर गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. संजय सिंह नहीं आता, चलो कोई बात नहीं. सौरभ परिहार. यू ग्रेट. शुभम वर्मा.
हेलो.
हाँ जी बताइए. नहीं आता, चलो बढ़िया है. सिद्धार्थ क्या कह रहे हैं?
Sir, we can integrate from a limit 0 to 3 and can divide by that by subtracting that.
क्या कह रहे हो? आराम से बोलो.
सर इंटीग्रेट कर लेंगे 0 to 3.
हाँ, किसको इंटीग्रेट करेंगे?
फंक्शन को.
अच्छा. और
and then divide by 3 minus 0.
Divide by
3 minus 0.
Divide by the
3 minus 0 sir. Upper limit minus
3 minus 0. अच्छा 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 अच्छा. अपर लिमिट. अरे ये तो नया फॉर्मूला है. मतलब इसको बनता है fx dx लोअर लिमिट अपॉइंट बाय अपर लिमिट डिवाइड बाय अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट. ग्रेट. चलो ये एक फॉर्मूला नया आया है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट इज राइट बट दिस इज इनोवेटिव. गलत है. सिद्धार्थ मिश्रा.
Yes sir.
Root means for.
क्या कह रहे हो? एक मिनट. व्हाट डिड यू से? सिद्धार्थ वेट. सिद्धार्थ वेट. या शुभम, यू वर सेइंग समथिंग.
सर रूट मीन स्क्वायर निकालते वक्त इसी फॉर्मूले का यूज
एक
होता है
मिनट,
मीन
एक
के
बार
लिए।
में एक चीज, तुमने यही बोला था।
यस सर, रूट मतलब एक बार में एक ही चीज कह रहा हूँ, मीन के लिए यही फार्मूला यूज होता है।
वी विल
सर मीन के लिए यही फार्मूला रूट मीन स्क्वायर निकालते वक्त यूज होता है ना।
अभी मैं उसमें नहीं जाऊंगा, तुम मुझसे पूछ रहे हो, लेकिन तुम और कुछ कह रहे हो तो बताओ। तुम यही कहना चाह रहे थे ना?
हाँ सर।
ठीक है, तो ये गलत है, आगे बढ़ो। सिद्धार्थ।
यस सर।
हाँ, what
सर फंक्शन को इंटीग्रेट कर देंगे 0 to 3x fx dx।
x fx dx, ठीक है, वी विल टॉक इट अबाउट लेटर। स्नेहा चक्रवर्ती।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, व्हाट इज योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग?
Sir, we will integrate with that expectation formula that x into fx dx from lower limit 0 to 3.
सोनल चौधरी।
Yes, sir. We will do by expectation formula. We will integrate from 0 to 3 fx into x dx.
अच्छा, अभी मैं ये इनसे नहीं पूछूंगा बिकॉज रिपीटेशन हो रहा है, सो आई अज्यूम रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल नो, एंड इफ दे डू नॉट नो देन आई कैन नॉट हेल्प देम एनीवेज बिकॉज द फॉर्मूला हैज बीन रिपीटेड मल्टीपल टाइम्स एंड आई एम नॉट जस्ट टॉकिंग आस्किंग यू टू रिमेंबर द फॉर्मूला, आई हैव मल्टीपल टाइम्स एक्सप्लेन्ड यू ऑल्सो दैट हाउ डू वी कम टू दिस पॉइंट। ओके, तो मैं ये भी नहीं बोल रहा बस फॉर्मूला याद कर लो, बट ठीक है। एनीवेज, so other people, now we will come to mean median mode. Yes, so Srinidh Kondaveti, Srinidh, let's
Yes, sir.
how do we get
Yes, sir.
mode of this?
By finding the maximum of the functions.
How do we find that?
By using derivations.
Okay, good.
First derivative.
We will not get into that. I will talk about this right now, but let me check. Surya Prakash Dubey, how do we get the mode of this? Surya Prakash Dubey,
Yes, sir.
how do we get mode of this?
Sir, for mode, I have no idea.
Formula. Great. Thank you for not booting out the board. Tanmay Kothari.
Yes, sir.
What is the mode of this function? I'm not asking value, I'm just asking concept.
I'm so sorry, I don't.
No problem. Why be sorry?
I'm second class.
You be sorry to yourself. I have no problem.
No, sir, I'll try to catch up. Since my second class
the
today, I'll
point
try to
is,
catch up.
Tanmay.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
you
sir.
should have raised this question earlier in the class itself. I always start my class with the question. You did not ask me that, sir, I am late, how should I catch up? So you are not sorry to me, you are sorry to yourself. Okay, to say sorry to yourself, not to me.
Okay.
You did not know me before this course, and most probably after 2 years you will not know, or you might try to forget. So it's up to your time and your money and everything. Okay, and for information, those who have joined new, I am uploading gradually on the YouTube. I am also adding content on the Telegram channel, and anybody can mail me for if they have further queries. Okay, Tanya Kumari.
I don't know.
Thank you. Vaishnavi Singh. Vaishnavi Singh. Don't know. मैं तो बोली भी नहीं. एक बंदे को मैंने छोड़ा था. साहिल वर्मा.
Yes, sir.
How do we get mode of this?
So we will find the maxima of
ठीक है,
that
बस okay, fine.
function.
ठीक है. We have not discussed how to find maxima. We will do it now. Rest of the people who have not, I have not asked. They can assume whatever they want to assume. Now, we will now just go to how to find a mode of a function. ठीक है? I will wipe it off or just keep it for later use. ठीक है? So we said the mode is the maxima or local maxima. ठीक है? अब maxima का मतलब क्या है? Those who said don't know, for them specifically. ठीक है, this is the point. Okay, hello, anybody who said don't know wants to volunteer for a conversation so that I can personally explain to him or her how do we calculate mode from a graph, or how do we calculate the maxima from a graph? Anyone who said they don't know and they are ready to volunteer? कोई है? Vaishnavi, will you volunteer? Vaishnavi Singh, not interested? हाँ तो भाई तो पहले बोलो ना. और can you speak or you cannot speak, because I cannot commute and I cannot interact with the computer right now. If you cannot speak, then we will not take you. Ishita Srivastav, I have to switch device.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will just converse with you. Most probably you might be knowing it. Anyways, let's come to act like you as if you don't know. Okay. So, can we say the value of y is increasing from this point onwards?
Yes, sir. From the starting up to the highest point.
Yeah. Okay. So now, as we can see, the let's say point A, point B and point C. Okay, now we have derived yesterday equations for m of x. Okay, now for everyone, I assume you know that there are slopes at A, B, C and they are dependent on x itself. It is not a straight line. It is not a straight line, which means the slope is not independent of x. Here the slope is dependent of x. So now please tell me, Ishita Srivastav, that how do I arrange these slopes? Is there a hierarchical relationship between them, a sequential relationship between these two?
So slopes are usually found by taking the slope of the tangent at that particular point.
Yes.
So
okay.
When we find
Okay, let's go ahead, because I did not use the word tangent last time, but tangent is actually, when she used the word tangent, tangents means you take a point and you find the slope at that. That's it. Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
Sir, for this question, I initially assumed that mode would be the highest point.
No. I am not talking
graph,
of. We are not talking of mode right now. I'm just doing a simple question. Let's forget.
Yeah, so I just thought to find that local maximum, we can use the first derivative test and second derivative test.
Listen,
like
Ishita, I told you, let's try to understand things from ground network. I'm not saying that you do not know how to calculate mode. I know you know. Okay, but let's start from basics. Okay, I am not talking about mode right now. I am trying to explain me how to find the maximum of this function. That's all. Not mode, nothing. The purpose is mode or not mode, that is secondary. We are trying to find a maxima. I am trying to explain to them, and I will come to gradually to that. What is happening to the slope at these points? Just tell me. Is there an order?
So looking at this one, it seems the slope would be the maximum at A, and it gradually decreases as you move.
Okay, so what she's trying to say, let me tell you. You have to understand this. ये चीज मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. I am working in the area of derivatives, and there is a derivative called Greek called delta. And 100 YouTubers, if you take in front of me, they can't explain to you what I'm going to explain you right now. And because of that, I am able to exceed them. Let's come to that. So now, can I write this, Ishita?
Sir, I guess it should be the other way around. I'm not really sure, but I guess
you
it
have
should
to
be
be
the other
sure.
way.
Listen, what you are trying to say is this. You understood the purpose, what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay. and in this case it is correct. So always when we talk of more and less, first of all we have to see this. M of A is more than M of B, or more, the magnitude. And as you can see, the magnitude is decreasing. First the slope is like this, second was little this, and third one little more. So the slope is decreasing. Okay, so this is correct. In this case we will come to this case also. Okay, so the slope is decreasing in the magnitude. Now let's come here and I will try to wrap it up. Which is your next class?
Marketing management, sir.
By who is taking that class?
Raj Kiran sir.
राज किरण सर, ठीक है. तो 5-10 मिनट आप लोग लेट आए, 10 मिनट लेट जा सकते हो. ठीक है. Now let me get Ishita again. Ishita, now tell me about slopes of this. What happens now?
Sir, just as we wrote about the absolute values, so in this case also absolute value at G would be higher than at F and E. But when we talk about the actual numerical values, so since the slope is negative in these cases for these points, it would be the slope for E would be greater than that for F, and that would eventually be greater than the slope at G.
Okay, so now please see. Now if you go from here to here, the slope is increasing in value, and if you go from here to here, from C to B, the slope is decreasing in value. Okay, agreed? Hello?
Yes.
Hence there will be a point where the slope will be 0.
Right, sir.
ठीक है. Suppose we are okay. Then at that point we say that is the maximum, because at that point the slope is 0. This has to be understood. Why at maxima the slope is 0? This is why I took all this trouble. Okay, now I will switch off. We will talk tomorrow. If you have any questions, we will take it tomorrow. And thank you very much. And the rest, I have given lots of messages. Thank you, Shita, for your time.
Thank you, sir.